So guys, this is the tutorial. 5, 6, 7.
Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show me.
So guys, welcome to this tutorial. In case this video is not very luminous enough or clear enough to see my face, sorry guys, this video will be a quick video. Just be a quick video for you guys because I'm doing this tutorial. Now let's dive right into my screen. The first step in this tutorial, is say sorry. You guys can do the dance now. This one is an easy dance for you guys. One, it's a lazy dance. A lazy dance for you guys. Can package on. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say sorry. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say sorry. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say sorry. I think guys, let's go. 5. Follow me, guys. I'm repeating this step for you guys, so you guys follow me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say sorry. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say sorry. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say sorry. See guys, so if I do that one, once you raise your hands up, this will do slow. This dance is just so easy for me. So you catch it close with dance, guys. Let's go for the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. So if you are still watching this video, let's do that one more time for you guys. So you guys should follow me, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say sorry. My God, so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe down below. I didn't want to beat you guys. I want to waste your time in this tutorial. Waste your time in this tutorials. Just a quick tutorial for you guys to learn. If you are new to this channel, like this video, subscribe down below. Click on the notification bell for you to learn on more dance tutorials and more dance challenges. And don't forget to watch this videos over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, watch this video slow and steady. Guys, slow and steady ones. Just watch the video in a slow pace as you can. I bet you will enjoy this video. In case you are doing the dance, the main dance for this channel, you can search this sound. Either you search the name of this tutorial, the song, or you watch my shorts videos. I'll be uploading in part of my shorts videos for you to see the real dance in the shorts tutorial. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.